Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2021 Ford Explorer Platinum. This is the four-door sport utility, seats 6, comes in the Star White Tri-Coat metallic paint with a black and brown interior. This car has a 3-liter V6 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Making our way into the front of the vehicle, you have your blind spot indicator on your side mirror. 2 speakers up at the top with your handle, memory seat controls and power lock, power folding side mirrors and power windows. Nice big speaker down at the bottom as well with your extra cup holder and storage space. Door panels made up of a black leather. Both front seats are powered in a black and brown leather. You have your platinum stitched just underneath your headrest. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You have all of your controls up here as well with your gap adjustment, cruise control, volume control, menu selection as well as voice control. You have a beautiful digital display just on your front dash. Also shows up in the center console once you open up the door. Nice view of the beautiful mountains. You have wood all throughout the front dash as well with leather. This car is push to start. Getting another look at the digital display. Nice big touchscreen center console. You have all of your audio, so AM, FM, and Sirius XM. All of your Bluetooth connection, as well as your navigation. All of your additional apps. Settings, you have all of your driver assist as well as settings for your vehicle. Right here you have your ambient lighting that shows up in the door handle and cup holders and just around the vehicle. Manual volume control as well as video fed and park assist. Heated and cooled front seats as well as heated steering wheel. Manual climate controls as well for your dual zone. Nice big deep compartment for your USB. Turn dialed gear shifter with your manual adjustment. You also have your paddle shifter once you do that. 2 cup holders. You have your emergency brake or park brake, sorry. You have your auto hold. So when you put it into drive, this will make sure that your car doesn't creep forward for you. You can just push that and it'll turn itself off. Drive mode selector. It's just a turnstile. Got quite a few. So normal, eco, sport, as well as your tow haul. And on the other side, you have your slippery, trail, and deep snow and sand. As you can see, there's a little bit of a picture to go along with it. You have your parallel parking button, traction control, auto stop and start, and steep hill control. Center console is a black leather wrap. It's very nice and deep. This can just come out. You have your cigarette starter there as well. Just in front, you have your wireless phone charging station. Rear view mirror. This car also has a full backup camera setup. You have your bird's eye view backup and all of your 360-degree sensors. Sunglass compartment. Overhead lighting with your ambient lighting as well. You have your sunroof and moonroof controls as well. Just above here is your universal garage opener with your speaker for your voice control. Illuminated driver's side vanity mirror as well as sun visor. Same thing with the passenger side. And you also have a nice big sunroof stretching all the way to the back seats. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we have the 21-inch Ford rims on all season tires. Black side mirror with integrated turn signal and your cameras. Color matched handle grips with your keyless entry and chrome inserts. Gas tank on the left side as well. All badging is chromed. You have your rear window wiper. Dual exhaust with dual tips on either side. Extra tow hitch. Backup camera just underneath your Explorer logo. Little triangle indicates your button for your trunk space. This vehicle has a full spare set of carpeted mats, as well as access to your 50-50 split rear seats. Instead of holding down the button, all you have to do is just push each individual button, or if you want to do both, just push the middle for your left and right, and they will lower themselves. Push them again, and they will lift on their own. You can take out all of these places for extra storage. Big one as well, can just flip up. Button to close your powered trunk. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle, we have the same black leather on the door panel, spare cup holders and storage space, 2 speakers along as well. You've got your sunshade, very easy and simple to install. It just goes right back down. Rear seats are heated in a black and brown leather as well. You have your button here for your folding cup holders and storage in the center console. Power banks and climate control with your heated seat option as well. Storage compartment just at the bottom. Leather magazine holders at the rear of the front seats. Access to the sunroof with air vents and overhead lighting as well. This car also comes with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side, we have the shark fin antenna just at the rear. This vehicle comes with command start with the wraparound headlights, chromed front grille with your sensors and camera in the front. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us here in our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.